So this is our PBL. So we did this PBL to show you guys like what we are learning in our valid classes about responsibility. So we have taken the responsibility in the 5A classroom which we will follow. So our topic is to like follow the campus language and maintain discipline while the teacher is teaching something or like that. So first you can read the instruction sheet, place the puzzles over here from the basket over there, and over here you can do the feedback, and after writing the feedback you can just place it back in the basket and we'll check it out. You can start. You can use the copy sheet for some reference. So I kindly request you to read what is over here or this so that you understand more about the topic.
Stay bold, confident, and step forward, right? So three qualities: communication, problem solving, and always be confident and not overconfident. So what is this discipline award?
The discipline award is when the class is very disciplined, follows campus language, and like when no one gets much of the irregularities and all, you win the discipline award. So 5A got it for this month.
Oh, super!
You can see it in our
Congratulations, guys. This one is very nice. Nice, very nice. So who are all your team members?
So you can see over here all my team members: Tashvi, Nidhi, Danya, Samhita, Nihal, and Shaubit.
Very good. Should we rate it?
Yeah, you should rate it out of 10.
Okay.
And like you can put a remark like how you liked it or what we can improve in this. Thank you. Now we can remove it and put it back in the basket.
Thank you.
Thank you. I hope you like the project.
Yes, we did like it.